Are you tired of manually comparing dozens of competitor pages with no clear picture of product line performance? Learn how to group them in Semrush and see which lines are winning in under 2 minutes. First, we'll organize your competitor pages into folders. Then, we'll create page groups to analyze performance by product line. Finally, we'll add competitors and run the analysis. Start by heading to the Semrush Folders section. Then, click on the highlighted area. Now, click on the next highlight. Once you're in the right place, click on the highlighted option. Next, click on Page Groups. Then, click on the highlighted element. Now, click on Add Competitors. Finally, click on Analyze. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.